In this video, we will show you how to watch live TV channels through Freely TV without a traditional aerial. Freely is a free streaming platform that combines live and on-demand TV from major broadcasters like the BBC, ITV, Channel 4 and Channel 5. If you have set your TV up without a digital aerial but have connected the TV to the internet, you can watch a selection of live TV channels through Freely. Before starting, ensure the TV is connected to the internet. After connecting to the internet through the network settings, a channel scan will need to be completed. This will allow the TV to search for channels using the internet. From the home screen, navigate to the Settings menu by pressing the cogwheel button on your remote. The Settings menu will now be displayed on your screen. Using the arrows on your remote, navigate to Installation. Then press the OK button. To ensure internet channels will be scanned, navigate down to Internet IP channel settings, then press the OK button. Ensure the Scan Internet IP channels setting is set to On. Press Back, then navigate up to Automatic Channel Scan and press OK. Navigate to Internet IP channels only, then press the OK button. A pop-up will display on the screen. Highlight Yes and press OK. Another pop-up will display on the screen. Highlight Clear, then press the OK button. You will be prompted to input your postcode. Using the on-screen keyboard, enter your postcode. The channel scan will then begin. The TV will scan for IP channels and display the number of channels found. Once the scan is complete, you can access the channels by pressing Guide on your remote. You will now be able to see the list of channels available to you through the internet. You can watch your desired channel by using the arrows on your remote to highlight it and press OK. Please note, some streaming apps and programs on Freely will request a sign-in on first use, and on-screen prompts will guide you through this. For further information, please visit www.bush-support.com.